Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you a quick way to remember the coordinates on a unit circle. So here are the coordinates, I'm going to fill them out. So it's important to remember these three different numbers we're going to have. So we have a half, square root of 3 over 2, square root of 3 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. And then right here you should remember that we're going to have the only different types of ordered pairs that we're going to have are this right here and right here. But the only difference is that in each quadrant, each number would be, sometimes it would be positive, sometimes it would be negative. They're going to be changing. So we always begin, a quick way to remember it, and an easy way to remember it, is that the one right here near the x-axis is going to be this square root of 3 over 2 comma half, which is this one. And here, as I have right here, all the numbers are going to be positive. X and y positive. Here in the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Third quadrant, both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the x is positive and the y is negative. So, and then always the ones in the middle. Here, this one in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, and in the middle. It's always going to be the square root of 2 over 2 comma square root of 2 over 2, which is this one. And always the ones near the y-axis, the one adjacent to the y-axis, is going to be the half comma square root of 3 over 2. A half comma square root of 3 over 2. See, both x and y's are positives. Right here, it's going to be the same. The ones near the y-axis is going to be a half comma square root of 3 over 2. Right here, the ones in the middle is always the square root of 2 over 2 comma square root of 2 over 2. And right here is going to be square root of 3 over 2 comma a half. In this case, the x's are going to be negative, but the y's are going to be positive. So I'm just going to zoom in. Right here we have the x's are negative, 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 but the y's are positive. Here the same way, the ones near the x-axis is the square root of 3 over 2 comma half. Middle, square root of 2 over 2. Right here, it's going to be the ones near the y-axis is the half square root of 3 over half comma square root of 3 over 2. Except here, we're going to have the x is going to be negative, comma, the y is going to be negative. Right here, x is going to be positive, but the y is going to be negative. And that's how you should remember it. Always remember the ones near the x-axis, right here, are the square root of 3 over 2 comma half. The ones near the y-axis are the half comma square root of 3 over 2. And you should always remember the ones in between these two, in the middle, in any quadrant, are square root of 2 over 2 comma square root of 2 over 2.